I've not been up here before, but the trig point somewhere up there. It's a little bit daunting. I'm taking this as the top. Can't see anywhere higher up. Visibility is quite poor, so I'm going to start heading down while I can still see. Found a little sheltered spot. Time to have something to eat. Today I've got this pouch. It's a chicken curry produced in Norway by Dry Tech, and it's supposed to be dried in a unique way to make it better, whatever reason. I got this as a free sample at a trade show. I asked the guy how much they sell for, and he said over £10. And I said, well, who's going to pay that? And he said, oh, the BBC take them everywhere they go, so we're paying for them. Right, so I've got my bag set up, sheltering my little stove out the wind. I'm going to add some water to this and see what it tastes like. You can see in that usual sort of mush. Give it a few minutes to let the water soak in. Still, it's not as good as real food. Don't kid yourself, these ever will taste that way. It's nice, excellent flavour. So, about 2/3 of the way down now, so this should just get me back to the car and then keep me awake to drive home. Show you what it looks like.